Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how I created a full consultant website in PHP, HTML and Tailwindcss framework. It is fully interactive and responsible to the mobile devices. For instance, a user can log in with a Gmail account, they can log in with their Google account. I will integrate with API and the source code and the description of the video. Also, as you can see here, the services were started in Tailwindcss. I can show you the projects, and here in the contact, let me minimize and you see how it appears in mobile. For mobile screen or small screen, you can see it adjusts its route automatic, and the menu become on the left and right side. You can see left navigation and the top menu. This is all we are done in Tailwindcss. You can see a login here. I've integrated with a Google Capture for secure login. You can see even in the, let me show you, in the contact page, there is a submit form, contact form. This is protected by the capture, so any user cannot send a spam form. I implemented this after I've observed a form spamming to my previous website. So you can request a website now in this website, and